What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to show you how to find watch later history on YouTube. So let's get right into it. Once you're on your phone's home screen, or go to the menu and there your YouTube. Make sure you have logged in into your desired YouTube account from which you want to see your watch later history. Then click on your profile icon on the lower right corner. And here if you see there is a playlist option of watch later liked videos, and here you can add new playlist. As we want our watch later history in here, we will go to the watch later option of the playlist, and here you can see the videos I have saved for watch later, and YouTube creates it automatically as a playlist. So click on the three dots icon beside a video, then you will see this layout and click on remove from watch later, and the video is deleted. Or if you want to just add some more, just click on go to the home page and just add more. Here you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you on the next one.